Welcome students. Today we are continuing practice set 2, question number 3. In question number 1 and 2 we have seen how to draw a triangle with all the sides measurements given. Now we have to draw an equilateral triangle. Children, I have already told you in last part there are three types of triangle: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. Equilateral triangle means whose all the sides are same. Now here they have given you the side is how much? 6.5 centimeter, means a triangle whose all the sides are same, 6.5, 6.5, 6.5. So before constructing a triangle I told you you have to draw one rough figure. So draw the rough figure like this and draw a rough triangle like this. Name it. You can give the name from up also, you can name it from down also. Any name you can give to the triangle. I am giving ABC. This is equilateral triangle. Its side is 6.5. 6.5 centimeter, means other two sides will be also same because it is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are same. Now let's draw the fair figure. For drawing the fair figure, take a scale. Draw the base first. Always draw with the start with the base. Base is how much now? 6.5. So take a scale and draw 6.5 like this. This is your AB, 6.5 centimeter. After drawing the base, take BC. BC is in a compass. How much it is? 6.5. So take 6.5 in a compass. After taking 6.5 in a compass, keep your pointer on B and make one arc up like this. Now from A to C, how much is the distance? 6.5. So again take 6.5 in a compass. I have already taken 6.5 because the measurements are same. So now keep it on A and cut the above arc. So join this two sides to get a triangle. So this is your triangle ABC, equilateral triangle with all the sides same, 6.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter. All the three sides are same, means that triangle is called as an equilateral triangle. Now children, let's move to the last question of this practice set 2. What is the question number 4? Choose the lengths of the sides yourself. Here no sides are given, no measurement is given. You have to choose it on your own. And draw one equilateral triangle, one isosceles triangle and one scalene triangle. All the three triangles you have to construct: isosceles, equilateral and scalene. So first we'll draw equilateral triangle. So first draw the rough figure. Let's name it as PQR. Equilateral means whose all the sides are same, and they are asking to take the measurement yourself. So I am taking any measurement you can take. I am taking 5 centimeter. So all the sides will be 5 centimeter because it is equilateral triangle. After drawing rough figure, let's draw the fair figure of this equilateral triangle. Let's draw with the base. Base PQ is how much? 5 centimeter. Take 5 centimeter in a down with the help of scale. Then Q to R is how much? 5 centimeter. Take that in a compass. Keep it on Q, pointer on Q, make a arc like this. Now similarly P to R, the distance is 5 centimeter. Again take 5 centimeter in a compass with the help of scale. This is your 5 centimeter only. Keep it on pointer on P. Cut the above arc. Join these two sides from the intersection of these arcs to get a triangle, required triangle. So this is your triangle PQR, equilateral triangle whose all the sides are same. I have taken it as 5 centimeter. Now second triangle you have to draw is isosceles triangle. So let's draw isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, I told you isosceles triangle means draw the rough figure first, whose two sides are same and other side is different. So here I will name it as ABC to the triangle. The base I am taking it as 5 centimeter and these two sides are same, so I will take it as 3 centimeter. So this is your isosceles triangle ABC, whose base is 5 centimeter and other two sides are same, they are 3 centimeter. So let's draw the base first. AB 5 centimeter. AB 5 centimeter. Then B to C, how much is the distance? 3 centimeter. Take it in a compass with the help of scale. 3 centimeter. Keep your pointer on B. Make one arc up like this. Similarly, A to C is also 3 centimeter. It's already taken only 3 centimeter. Cut the arc. If it is not getting cancelled, again keep it on B and extend the arc. So you will get an intersection and join the sides to get the triangle. So this is your isosceles triangle ABC, whose base was 5 centimeter and the other two sides have taken it as 3 centimeter. Now one more triangle you have to draw is scalene. Scalene triangle means, I already told you all, scalene means whose all the sides are of different length. So draw one rough figure, one triangle, name it as XYZ. Here all the three sides you have to take it of different length. Scalene means all the sides are of different length. So XY you take it as 6 centimeter, YZ you take it as 5 centimeter and XZ you take it as 4 centimeter. No three sides are same. All the three sides should be of different length. That is called as a scalene triangle. So after taking the measurement of your on your own, just draw it. You always start with a base XY 6 centimeter. So 6 centimeter you have to draw. After drawing XY 6 centimeter, take the above measurements in a compass. YZ, take it in a compass. How much it is? 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter, take it in a compass. After taking 5 centimeter, keep it on Y pointer. Make one arc like this. Now XZ is how much? 4 centimeter. Take it in a compass again, 4 centimeter. Keep it on X. Cut the above arc. Now this arc's intersection point, join it to get the triangle sides. So this triangle is ready. Name it properly XYZ. All the sides see the measurements are written. XY 6 centimeter, YZ was 5 centimeter and XZ is 4 centimeter. So this was your rough figure and this is your fair figure. So all the three sides we have all the three triangles we have drawn: equilateral, isosceles and scalene. Equilateral means all the three sides are same. Isosceles means only two sides are same and other side is different. Scalene means all the three sides are of different length. You can take any measurements. I have taken on my own these measurements. If you want, you can take any measurement of your choice. So here our practice set 2 ends. Just practice it properly. Question number 1 to 4, all the questions. Construction of a triangle when all the three sides are given to you. Now in next part I will upload practice set 3. So till then practice till here.